Hi there, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we've got an Audi A6 here. You've probably already seen the video about the MMI display or the screen that wasn't working properly. It's about this particular Audi A6. We're going to go ahead and reset the MMI system, just like you already saw in the title. So I'm going to show you the button combination. We had a short video, but informative. And now let's get started. Why am I doing the reset? Because we had a cable break here. Got a little warning up here, then you can go ahead and watch the video. The display's working fine now. Everything's good. This reset is just a precaution. So how do we do it? How do we actually perform the reset? Were these three buttons, the this one, the that one, and the menu button, press and hold them all at the same time, keep them fully pressed, then let go. The system will completely shut down and restart one full time. And there we go. That's it. Yeah, and that's how it's always been. Exactly the same with the earlier models and these three buttons. Alright guys, hope this quick little video was really helpful for you today and gave you the info you needed. If so, drop a comment down below and let me know in the comments what other kinds of reset methods you'd like to see. I think we'll probably take a look at the startup screen here real quick. You can definitely code that, switch it out, like we already did with the A5 for example. And with all the BMWs too. And yeah, if you like this whole thing, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.